Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is another video from our web development series. In today's video, we are going to learn some very important HTML5 new features. HTML5 introduces many new elements that help us create modern and interaction and user-friendly web pages. And the best part is the many things that earlier needed JavaScript can now be done using the pure HTML. So if you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step with the real examples. Also, as always, PPT slides and complete source code are available in the video description, so make sure to check that. In this video, you will learn details and summary element, dialog element, progress element, meter element, and new HTML5 input types, when and where to use them, and practically example for each. So by the end of this video, you will clearly know why these features are useful and how to use them. Now, HTML5 added many semantic and interactive elements. These features help us build a modern website, improve user experience, and reduce JavaScript for simple tasks, and improve accessibility and browser support. Now let's understand these features one by one with example. So first talk about the details and summary. These elements are used to create collapsible and expandable section. Now you might have seen this in the FAQ where you click question and the answer opens. The best part is no JavaScript required is here. So let's move to VS Code and see them in a practical way. So I already have a simple HTML file with basic structure. Now the details and inside this summary. So details is the main container here, and the summary is the part that is always visible, like what is HTML, the question mark. And the HTML is like the content inside the details stay hidden until we check, like the here HTML stands for hyper text markup language. And now when I click on this, let's see in this. So see, when I click on this what is HTML, it the hidden content inside becomes visible. So now if you want to section to be open by default, like here I have to click on this arrow button or what is HTML. But if I want to make the by default, you can add the open attribute here in the details, just write open. And this is very useful for instruction or important information. Like when I refresh, it opens automatically. Next is these elements are like keyboard friendly and accessible by default and perfect for FAQ and help section. Next we have the dialog element. Dialog is used to create pop-up box or modal windows. Earlier we used to create modals using the HTML using the multiple divs and a lot of CSS and JavaScript. HTML5 made this much simpler. So let's see how this works practically. So here first I create a dialog button, dialog, and inside this paragraph tag, this is a dialog, then a button to close this, and on click close dialog, a function. And also we have to write a button for open this dialog, and on click open dialog, this function. Now we have to write the script for this, means a JavaScript, minor JavaScript, not a variable, like function open dialog and in this document dot get element by id, and here first I have to make the dialog id. id is the my dialog. Now write the script document dot get element by id my dialog and dot show modal, and also a function to close this dialog, function close dialog, and document dot get element by id my dialog dot close. So when let's see in this, so when I click on this button open the dialog, it show the modal, it show this modal, this is a dialog, and the background automatically gets dim here if you see. And when I click on this close, it closes. See this dim the background automatically. And this is perfect for the alerts, confirmation message, and setting pop-ups, small forms. Now dialog element gives us the built-in modal behavior with very little code. Next is the progress meter. Progress is used to show task progress like file uploading, loading process, task completion. So for that, just write let's you label, and inside the label file upload, let's say, and a progress. In the progress we have to give the value, let's say 40, and maximum is the 100. So value show the current progress, means how much till the done completed, and max show the total one. If value is missing, browser show the loading animation. Let's see in the this is the 40% of this progress meter, and if I write 50, it comes in the half of this, half is blue, half is left. And when I remove this value, then it's act as a loading animation, like just continue. So this element work very well with the JavaScript. Next one is the meter element. So meter element is different from progress. Meter is used to show measurement within a fixed range, like battery level, score, rating, temperature level, and this it is similar to the like label, battery level, and here meter, and the value is again 30, minimum is the 0, maximum is the 100, and low is the 20, and high is the 70, optimum is the 50. So here low and high define the warning ranges, like when we are just charging, when the our charging left 20%, it becomes the red, and when on charge on the power, it becomes the green here, just similar to this. And browser automatically change the color, like here if you see, this is the green one, and when I make them 3, then it becomes the, if you see, let me increase, see this is the yellow one, red warning, like, and when I make them 80, it becomes again the red one too, because it crosses the high value. means till the 20 to 70 is the best meter. So next is the input elements. Input types. The in HTML5 also new input types are for forms like email verification, URL, number, date, color, range, and many more. So these input types give the better user experience, provide browser level validation, show mobile friendly keyboards, reduce JavaScript usage. So let's quickly summary is the no yes benefits of new inputs is the means we can use the valid till in the HTML level like email verification, whether it's a correct email or not, or the number or the color format, just like that. And now when to use these features. So details and summary are used in the FAQ section mainly, and dialog button is used for confirmation windows and pop-ups shows, and use progress meter for the loading, file uploading or progress meter, and use the meter for the scores or levels, and new input types or the better forms input. Now HTML5 introduced many features. These elements are improve user experience, reduce the code, and make website more accessible. That is for this video. If you understood HTML5 new features, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to JDCodebase for more beginner friendly web development tutorials. PPT slides and complete the source code are available in the description. Check the playlist to continue learning HTML step by step. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.